Hello and welcome to Placement Wala. I am Muskan, co-founder of Placement Wala. So today I have brought very good opportunities for fresher batches 2025 and 2024 especially. So watch it with your full concentration. So let's begin. As you can see, our first hiring is for ODOO. You must have heard this company's name because it is very good company and they hire a lot of fresher, and today they have brought software developer intern hiring. So you will get 20,000 per month stipend, which is a very good stipend for a starter. So you should definitely grab this opportunity. And what they look for, you can read that. What will you do? You can read that. And here are the responsibilities and must haves. So you should be one of the following: either BE in IT and CS, MCA, MCS, IT, or BTech, and several programming languages also. Object oriented programming language also. Passion for development also. And available for 6 months full time, 5 days per week also. Okay, one more thing, read and written English also. So nice to have. They have like made so much good presentation. Nice to have contributions to open source project, Unix and Linux platform, Python, JavaScript, HTML5, CSS3, Linux and GitHub. I would say GitHub profile everyone should have. Okay, so that's all for this hiring. You can simply apply from here. Apply now. Okay, for any doubts you can comment in the comment section. So next hiring is for EY. Again, every time, whenever I talk about EY, I always tell you that it is a very good company and you should never miss a chance to apply here. Okay. So they are hiring today for Associate Markets National CBSBMC Enablement New Delhi. In New Delhi. So location is New Delhi and other locations are primary locations. Salary is competitive and it was established on, this hiring was established on 9th of June. So here is the job description. You can read that. Okay, so they just need from you skills and attributes to qualify the role you must have. So you should only have the skills for which you are applying for. Okay, and qualification they need from you is just graduate degree in any subject in English medium, and other things you should have skills only. So skills matters a lot. Okay, and experience, 0 to 1 year of experience. 2025 2024 can apply without any second thought. Okay, so that's all for today. No, not for today, one more thing is left. So you have to apply from apply now, and yeah, only that is the button to apply. And the next hiring is in Honeywell, that is for software engineer first. So the location is Pune, Maharashtra, and the job description you can read that. Qualifications, you must have bachelor's degree from an accredited institution in a technical discipline such as the sciences, technology, engineering, or mathematics. Just that, and you can simply apply from here. Here is the job description. Job category is engineering. It's full time. The shift is day shift, and here is the location, exact location. It is also hybrid and higher eligibility, internal and external, blah blah blah. You can read everything on your own. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe for more updates, and don't forget to comment your doubts.